So this is Brogan. I'm here at Braig. I've got a new garden coming. You're flying right through this new aspen, Quaking Aspen tree. Oh yeah. There's the trains. Keep me awake on the deck up there. Anyway, I bought this from Center for Native Plants, and my consultant, see, it's a great, nice deal. And anyway, Quaking Aspen, nice and tall. The consultant said something about digging the hole, you know, twice as deep, I think, as the tree or something. So anyway, I'm going to dig the hole and to make sure it survives. How's it going, Bob? You getting deep enough? You need a longer shovel? What? He's got another bucket full. Yeah. God, that's full. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Get it fuller. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah. I'll come down. Let me get the ladder. Hang on. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, I'll pull it up. Okay. Yeah. 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 All right. All right. Whoa. God, I hope that's deep enough. Yeah. Yeah. What? A breathing tube? Yeah, just a minute. I got one over here. I think this will reach. Yeah. 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 Okay, coming down. Whoa. Wow. 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 Yeah. Yeah. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah. Yeah. Can you reach it? Yeah. Wait, lift it up a little so I can blow you some air. It's working. I see some movement. You sure she didn't say twice as wide? Well, yeah, I think that looks pretty great. Yeah. Anyone seen Bob?